once you come in here and experience the space, you realize that there's something bigger going on than just, you know, a little nonprofit entity. I resigned the church without a plan, and then I started to figure out, am I supposed to do justice stuff? What am I supposed to be doing? And eventually we landed on a nonprofit coffee house for the sake of affecting people with the issues that come from hunger, unclean water, and human trafficking.
So it's just been amazing, like what we've been able to do in pretty much 3 years, like give away $80,000 to all these different things that we support.
So I started organizing inner city domestic mission trips, and I organized 3 international trips. I went to Africa in 2008, and when I came back from that trip, I was a different guy. And not long after that, my wife just said, if you ever need to leave the church, no problem. Those experiences kind of led me to starting to be restless within the church. But really, the only people I probably reached were those who parents brought them to church, you know, or a friend brought them, and that's okay. Even the word Jesus was something that I would never entertain. You know, after I went into ministry, who were still friends of mine from back in the day, who were just totally flabbergasted that I actually became a pastor. Like they were like, if anybody's anti-church, it was Kenny. I was a troubled teenager into a lot of drugs and alcohol, and if my parents hadn't pressed charges against me and put me into a facility, I probably would have never gotten any help. So going there was kind of traumatizing, but as you spend 40 days in one place, you start to maybe acclimate to the help that you can receive. There's no guarantee that I was going to get better. I didn't know if I would either, and then I just became determined and walked out of that space, and 35 years later, I haven't touched a drop. I'd say pretty much after I was about 21, I decided I would work where I wanted to work. I applied for a management position at the record shop and led a pretty successful little life there. Did really well for myself. I learned a lot of my mistakes and my arrogance in that time, which helped me to become a better boss. And started a second business called Roosevelt Coffee Roasters in the last year. Now we're actually supplying coffee. If you grab one of our bags, you'll actually see it communicates the whole vision, which, Roosevelt has a platform in Columbus, but it doesn't have a platform outside of Columbus. Now we can take that bag and we can sell it in coffee shops all over the world.